Studying is tough and time-consuming. When you are too focused on your studies, you might neglect other areas of your life that are, let's say, less important, such as cleaning your room. And your room at the end of the day might look something like this. You might think that a messy room has no effect on your studies. But from what I have experienced, when your environment is messy and things are all over the place, your mind will enter a state of messiness, and that will reflect negatively on your studies. Because the things around you are messy, you might start to blame yourself for it. And then when you come to your studies and you find it difficult or things don't go as planned, then your brain will connect both of these events. And then you will feel like you don't have any control over anything in your life. And that will lead you to more stress and anxiety. So my tip is that you clean your room once a week. It doesn't matter what day it is, or it doesn't matter how much you clean. You don't need to always go beast mode on your cleaning. You don't need to clean everything in your room every single week. Sometimes it's enough by just removing your clothes from the floor, or washing your clothes, or just making your bed properly. Just do something simple, and that will automatically freshen up your day and freshen up your room, and you will feel automatically much more relaxed and peaceful. It is simple things in life that bring us peace and happiness. Therefore, do not neglect the positive atmosphere and the peace that will come after cleaning your room, and that will maximize your learning experience. My room is a mess now, and today you will be joining me and my friend Obaida as we clean the room. So let's get started. Let's go.
It's too small.
Too much.
We need another one. Wait.
Mayday.
Hope you enjoyed this video and learned a new lesson. Don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe and turn the notification bell. Goodbye.